Hello everybody, Jean here with a quick 3i Atlas update. On the 3rd of October 2025, the China National Space Administration photographed 3i Atlas from Mars orbit using the high-resolution camera on board the Tianwen-1 craft. Let's have a look at the source, then I'll show you the photographs. Some of you may have already seen this, but for the sake of keeping my database up to date, I'm including this as well. So for those of you that haven't seen this, I hope you enjoy the content. This CNSA webpage was released on the 6th of November 2025. The photograph was taken on the 3rd of October, so there's quite a delay. I'll include the link to this page in the video description. Tianwen successfully observed the interstellar object Atlas. So I'm just briefly going to go through the article. Please pause and read at your own leisure or visit the website. They were looking at a depiction of the orbits at the time, and then the camera took this photograph on the 3rd of October 2025. And there's a still from the animated sequence I'll be showing you. So this was taken at an imaging distance of approximately 28.96 million kilometers. And there's the animated GIF that we'll be checking out. So the optical payload carried by the Tianwen-1 orbiter was originally designed to photograph the bright surface of Mars. This was the first attempt to photograph such a distant and relatively dim target. So this is one of the frames from that sequence, and 3i Atlas is seen over here, folks, the brighter object in this frame. And there's a closer look. It's a pity NASA hasn't released their high-definition MRO HiRise camera photographs yet. We'll take a look at the site in a moment. It's very disturbing that they're waiting so long to release those photographs. And here's the animated GIF. You can see the 3i Atlas object moving across the sky. Let's have a closer look. So the photograph is way too low res to make out any details, but there's no tail visible over here in this sequence. Snapped on the 3rd of October 2025. So let's hop on over to the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter HiRise website to see what's going on there. Right, so here's the HiRise homepage and the note. Any images of the interstellar comet 3i Atlas are considered NASA-wide news. Because the federal government is in shutdown, communications of NASA news have been suspended. So that's over a month now. Let's have a look at the catalog. You'll see they uploaded a lot of photographs on the 5th of November, but these don't include any photographs taken of 3i Atlas. I've just refreshed the page, and yeah, folks, there's no photograph of 3i Atlas yet. So let's see what NASA does in the near future. I'm not holding my breath, to be honest. I hope you guys and girls enjoyed this brief update. If there's any breaking news or anything substantial regarding 3i Atlas, I'll publish that over here on my YouTube channel. As always, thanks for watching.